Why you got my shoes on, bro? Why you got my shoes on, bro? Them is my shoes.
I was in the area. You want a patty?
A what?
It's a patty. I just next door. You should.
A patty?
Tastes right. They have great patties. Jamaican patties.
I never had one.
A Jamaican beef patty?
I never had a patty before. What the hell was that?
Are you serious?
No.
Beef and chicken.
Let me try chicken. Let me try that boy. I'm not gonna bite it. I'm gonna just take a piece off. What is that?
Which one was that? That was the chicken. That was the chicken, but it's next door.
That's good.
When you done, go next door.
Damn.
Yeah, that was chicken. That was jerk chicken.
That's good.
That was jerk chicken.
You're making the world a better place, man.
Thank you, bro.
Let me get you a patty, Pete.
I just ate though, bro. I'm sorry. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
Be safe, man.
Yeah. Wait, I never text Usain Bolt? Hold on. Yo, Usain Bolt, man, it's nice to meet you, man. I'm Speed here. You know, I was gonna ask you, if you can like coach me or teach me how to race, or do you want to race? You're a legend, man. I've been watching since I was literally 8 years old, man. Like you was the person who taught me how to run. Like, it's crazy because I remember being 3 years old. My mom turned on your documentary right in the living room, and I was watching you run and sprint the 2008 Olympics when you set the world record, 9.53. I was watching that as a 3-year-old kid, and that inspired me to be the fastest man alive. So it will be an honor for me to meet you, man. Honor. Chat W-Row.
A few moments later.
Somebody just sent me a link of you, sent me a video on Instagram. I checked it out. It's not available now because it's a couple months ago. But yeah, so we can link up anytime. I'm retired now, so I'm not running. But I can coach you. You know what I mean? I can coach you to go faster. You're already fast, but everybody wants to be faster, right? Yo, my G, what's good?
Yo! Private training with Usain Bolt. Yo, Usain Bolt, bro, legend. I love you. All right, bet. Let's lock that training session in. Send me your Wait, do we got his contact?
Yeah.
Never mind. Hey, Usain Bolt, I love you, bro. All right, bet. We gonna get this training session in this year. This year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this year. Usain Bolt, I love you, man. Usain Bolt, W, man. Love you. W Usain Bolt, chat. Hold on, for real?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Yo! The UCL trophy! I lifted it! What?
So good.
Huh?
Don't hold, don't touch, don't lift it. So this is
Why would you tell me to...
It's so good.
So speed the booth.